proposals they showed interest. My only suggestion is we will have one more round of meeting, 11th or 12th, it will be called. Only thing, I it doesn't happen. I only interest is, he's starting on the property from 1955. 67 years he has enjoyed the property without paying the rents. He has not paid the rents. He has subletted the property. He is not only having the cake and eating it too. He has not paid the rents for the last over after we find the case. Yeah, and then giving the photograph, I will be very happy to give.
No, it's all right.
Latest photograph. Where he has to show that he has subletted the property. I didn't want to further complicate it. When you see, he has given it to a juice shop, ice cream parlor.
Reliance Fine Art.
Putting money on my property without even paying the fee.
No, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಮತ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
Appears to be unrighteous. Saturday and Sunday, with the permission of corporation, somebody is handicapped fellow, is sitting there and doing some business on Saturday evening.
It's okay, whatever it is.
That doesn't amount to subletting.
No, that's okay. See, when the parties don't see eye to eye on any of the proposal.
They were good friends for 80 years.
Then why litigation for last so many years?
Very ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯ. 2004 ತನಕ ರೆಂಟ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಗನ್ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ. He was also party for his mom last time. There was a fruitful discussion.
Where is your client? ತಮ್ಮ ಕಕ್ಷಿಗಾರರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ? ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಓವರ್. ಏನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ರೀಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? What can be done?
I don't want to go into the nitty-gritty.
Yes, argue the matter, no? Better.
11th it may kind of be.
No, Mr. Kamath, commence the argument. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾರು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಲಿ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ನೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್? ನೀವು ಕೂತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಕೂತೇ ಇರ್ತೀರ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. He says he flatly refused for any compromise. If anything is there, he should say no. ಕಾಮತ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಅವ್ರೇನಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
We have got this is not discussion. The landlord is Gundura. Tenant is Krishnamurthy, respective fathers. They have a talk to modernize the shop and 20 lakhs rupees.
What is the admitted rent?
Admitted rent is 2,750.
How much is due?
From 2004 onwards, they have not received them.
ನಾಳೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದೊಳಗಡೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I'll grant time.
For 6.5 lakhs.
No, that's why, no. Wait, sir. Kindly wait. Tomorrow, deposit. We'll consider and grant time. Deposit, no. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ. ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. To show your bona fides, you deposit.
4,98,000.
2004 ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 2004 ರಸೀಟಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ರಸೀಟಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದಿ receipt for having paid up to 2008 then you pay from the date you have been inducted into the tenant. You are the person who are pleasing discharge. You should give the entire receipt. If you don't have receipt, pay entire amount. Give the receipt, no?
5 lakhs rupees tomorrow by 3 o'clock will be
Deposit. Deposit.
Yes.
When the matter is taken up for the hearing, Sri Kamath, Lord Counsel for the appellant, submits that parties are fast friends for so many years and on account of a trivial issue, they have fallen